Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. For those of you that are new here, welcome. If you wouldn't mind jumping down and hitting that subscribe button, also turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. On this channel, I do things like unboxings, get ready with me's, hauls, tutorials, first impressions, try-ons, pretty much anything that has to do with makeup and fun. I do collabs, much more. For those of you that have come back, thank you. Your love and support means the world to me. As a matter of fact, I have a big announcement coming up. I will be putting that up tomorrow concerning all my wonderful subscribers. But in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my second base box for August 2020. Now, originally, I was only getting one Boxycharm base box, and when I started my channel, I decided that I was going to get a second base box set up with a profile that was a lot different from the one I actually set up for myself. I wanted to see if Boxycharm really paid attention to our profiles. Some of the things stayed the same so that I wouldn't be too far off in the stuff that I got, because I wanted to make sure that I could use a lot of it. But I did things such as, I said I was 24 years old. I said my hair was a very light, almost dirty blonde. That I had light eyes, and that that my skin was a lot fairer than what my actual profile said, because I wanted to see if it made a difference in the boxes I got. Usually I unbox them at the same time, but the way things had been getting here, I wasn't sure when the second one was going to arrive, so I opened up my first one yesterday. I will leave the link to that video down in the description box. Now today I came home and my second base box is here, and I can tell the difference between which one is which by the name that it comes in. My original base box comes under Kathleen Moore, which Kathleen is my first name, and this one comes under Lynn, which is my middle name, so that I know I can tell the difference right away before I even open it. For those of you that don't know about Boxycharm, it's a monthly makeup subscription box. They have the base box, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. They also have the premium box, which is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products. And then every 3 months they have the Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99 on that month. You do not get your base box, and you get 8 to 9 full-size products. I like to say that Boxy Luxe is a little more of a makeup, skincare, lifestyle box. Kind of like they're trying to make it more like FabFitFun, in my opinion, because we do get some lifestyle items in there too. But this is just the regular base box, and when you open it up, that is what you see. It has the red. The Boxycharm Premium has the blue on it. So this is my second base box. And guys, I was so happy when I got my first base box yesterday, and I was thinking Boxycharm was so on point that they had to be going by my profile to get it right. And then I look at this base box, and to be truthful, it is the exact same products, except for I'll get there. Anyways, so pretty much we're going to go over the same things. The first thing I am going to pull out is the Real Her I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. It's just a brow pencil, which I don't use them, and I put those on both of my profiles, hoping that I would not get it. It's just a brow pencil. It's a brown. I'm not going to swatch it because I will not use it, so I will be setting that aside, which now I have 2 for future giveaway. And what I also do, this card says Variation 2 on it. The card I got yesterday with my box says Variation 7, and they are the exact same thing. The next, so let me tell you about that. The Real Her Defining Brow Pencil. This long-lasting micro-tip pencil allows you to create individual-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formula glides beautifully and naturally on the skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. And that goes for $16. I can also tell you right now that this box is going to have a total value of $151.95, and I know that because that's the exact same as the one I got yesterday. The next thing that I am pulling out of the box is the Mind Tan Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. Now I am happy to get another one of these because I did hear that that is a very good product. I haven't decided. I might set one aside. The Mind Tan Skin Body Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydro Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hydrolonic acid formula, delivering time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin, and that goes for $44.95. It is only 2 milliliters. I did not open the one yesterday because I already have 2 nighttime serums open that I am working on. I don't want to open a third, and now that I have 2 of these, I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet. The next thing that I am pulling out is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Now, the one I got yesterday was in shade 02 Velvet Rosewood, and this one is in shade 04 Velvet Raspberry. So I am a little excited that at least I got 2 different colors. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but this is the one that I got yesterday, which is the Rosewood shade. And now this is the one that is the Raspberry. Ooh, that is deep. Or it looked deep. Yeah, it is a little deeper. So I have the Rosewood right there, and that is the Raspberry. I guess I can say at least I got 2 different shades, which makes me kind of happy. The next thing, so the Clarins Velvet Lip Protector. Sorry guys, I'm a little off today. This box really disturbed me, amongst other things. The Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lip with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Now I will say that it did feel very nice on my lips yesterday, and that has a retail value of $26. I already, right when I got home, before I opened my box, I took a shower and washed my makeup off and everything, so I don't want to put anything on my face because I'm going to be doing my masks and everything today since I have some extra time. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my box is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it is in the shade Golden Beige, and that really kind of makes me mad because this profile says that I'm actually a lighter complexion than what I really am, and the shade they sent me yesterday was Shortbread, and this one is Golden Beige, which is a lot darker. I am not going to swatch this one because I have not decided what I'm going to do with it, simply because I do know that it is going to be way, way, way too dark for my skin. But I did use the shortbread in my video yesterday, if you would like to see how it performs. The Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. Conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer makeup hybrid. Fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless you'll think that you were born this way. And that has a retail value of $29. Now, I do know that I heard a few people say you can do several things with this. You can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a contour. If I do decide to keep it, I will probably try to use it in my contour as a contour or a bronzer maybe, because like I said, I do know that it is way too dark for my skin. And the last thing that I am pulling out of the box is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. Like I said, guys, the exact same box as yesterday. The Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. These 10 shade pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. Now, I am not going to mess with that one because there is someone that I know that did not receive this in their box, and I am going to be sending it to them. But this is mine. I used mine yesterday in my try-on, and those are the colors, and I can tell you guys that this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this palette. I just simply don't need two of them. And the person that I am going to be sending this to is such an amazing, amazing person that does so much for so many and is always giving back. So I really wanted to be able to give it to her. That is my second base box for Boxycharm August 2020. Like I said, I already know that this box has a total value of $151.95 because it's the exact same one as I got yesterday. Now, I will use the Lippy, and I'm glad it's a different shade than I got in my first box. I am kind of glad to have two of these serums because I heard this is a really good product. I haven't opened up either one of them, and like I said, I already have two nighttime serums open at the moment that I am going through. So one of them will probably be going in a box for the giveaway. Both of the brow pencils will be going in my box for future giveaway prizes. And the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in golden beige, I am not sure. I'm not sure. I don't want to try it and then find out that it is way too dark for me to do anything with. So I'm seriously debating or contemplating putting that in for the giveaway. And like I said, I got another Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. As a matter of fact, let me make sure that there's no damage to it before. Okay, no, it is completely intact before I send it to her. That is all for today, guys. Let me know down below, what do you think? Do you think Boxycharm follows our profiles at all? Or do you think that they just stick what they feel like in our boxes once they give us our choice product? Now, I missed my choice product for pick for my base box last month. And when they told me that when I got the email for my first account saying that I was receiving this in the shade shortbread, I knew I didn't pick it, because I wouldn't have picked shortbread. And I most certainly would not have picked golden beige. So I know for a fact I did not pick my choice products last month. So I guess that could be my fault. But let me know, what did you guys get in your boxes? How do you feel about Boxycharm? Do you think they follow our profile? Do you not? Did you like your box this month? Hopefully, one day this week I will be getting my premium box, and I can unbox that as well. Now, I did pick my choice product for that, and I'm waiting for it, because I did pick one of the Sunday Riley products, and I'm super excited about that. I am happy that I did get another Violet Voss palette, just simply because I already knew I wanted to give it away to a certain person, that she did not get it, and I knew that she wanted it, so I'm okay with getting 2 of those. That's all I have for today, guys. Sorry about the little rant. It just kind of made me mad that I specifically set up a profile that is enough different from my original profile that there is no way my 2 boxes should have matched exactly. And for me to get a darker concealer in a profile that says that I'm a dirty blonde, light brown hair, and that I have light eyes, and that I'm very fair skinned, obviously, in my opinion, they don't pay attention at all. But that's all I have for today. Like I said, if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm usually way happier and more positive on my channel. They just disturbed me today with this box. I promise you, I do have fun on here. For those of you that have stuck with me this long, thank you so much. It means so much to me, and I do have a big announcement concerning all my wonderful subscribers that I will be putting out in the next day or 2, so make sure you watch for that. And until next time, love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.